Tascam DR05, a question about the backlight. See this backlight here? Sometimes you're going to need it to be on continuously, especially if you're in a dark studio surrounding and you need to see a recorder. This orange light, how do you get it to stay on? All right, so I'm going to demonstrate for you how to do that. So we want to go to the menu. So we're going to click that, and that brings us to this menu. And you're going to scroll down to Others. Okay, when you're in Others, you're going to push this button here. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down till you get to System. And again, you're going to click that button here. And then what you want to do is the backlight. You want to have it to be on always, right there. Now, if you don't want it to be on always, you can just change it to 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, or off. You see how it's shut off? All right, but I want it to stay on, and because that's for my needs, it's easier, so I just want it to stay on. So there it is. That's how you keep the backlight on the Tascam DR05, how you keep that backlight on. All right, let me know if that was useful to you. If you got any more questions about this Tascam, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Let me know in the comments. Please give it a thumbs up and check out another video right here.